Make sure he doesn't wake up with the bado.
Hapo sawa.
And that's how you do it. Bob Marley, I've taught you something today. Mtu akili amwezi kaa kunywa pombe, weka peg. Weka peg. See, peace and quiet. Peace and quiet. See, you see?
I got you.